So we are very confident now that when we say peaceful, we mean it. When we say permanent, we mean the peace will be permanent. The solution will be recognition of our sovereign state. And when we say solution, we mean we have already identified a solution that distinguishes us from Cameroon. We are Ambazonians. Hello there. My name is Edwin Gang. You may know me as one of the Republic of Ambazonia's agents. I'm also a community organizer of Aspire, which is Ambazonians who aspire to secure and protect the integrity of the revolution. I'm also one of the coordinators of DATIP, which is Dynamic Alliance to Implement the Peaceful Permanent Solution. Today I'm coming to you because we are very, very happy that there is now some bubbling movement and excitement from all the way from ground zero and even in the diaspora about what the peaceful permanent solution strategy is. People are now asking, perhaps this is time for the Ambazonian revolution to return back to its core values, to its base, and execute the strategy it was supposed to execute at the beginning, which is what it is, the peaceful permanent solution. So I was told that I should come out today and make a little video to explain the PPS, which is the peaceful permanent solution. Remember, we'll be doing a lot of this. So one video may not capture all the strategies or all the nuances of how it should be explained, but I'll do my best today to give you what it is. There will be other people from the Dynamic Alliance who will be out there making the same pitch to you, and even other friends and sympathizers of the Ambazonians know about the peaceful permanent solution. PPS basically is what we call the power detonating strategy of the sovereignty doctrine in the Republic of Ambazonia. Why do we have confidence that it's power detonating? We know that it is because our strength is our sovereignty, and we have already secured that sovereignty as Republic of Ambazonia, albeit now under subjugation by Republic of Cameroon. So we are folks who have already won the battle of the mind. If you are joining the peaceful permanent solution movement, you have already won the battle of the mind. So you already have 60% of the power that you will couple with the 30% of the power in legalism to have 90%. Now you see how we are very confident that the peaceful permanent solution is going to secure the objectives that we are asking for, which is recognition of our sovereign state, which is under subjugation by the Republic of Ambazonia, and that sovereign state is the constitutionally originated and legally validated Republic of Ambazonia. One, if that is too far a bridge for some sovereign states to do, they could call for a binary choice exclusive referendum, which we have now named Exit. Exclusive referendum, meaning that it will be conducted only in the territory of these indigenous English-speaking people of the north and southwest provinces of Cameroon. And how is that going to be done? Before it gets done, there will be what will be called a cessation of hostility. We have done it, and it has been done in other parts of the world. There will be a cessation of hostility, which means an international peacekeeping contingent will have to come and separate the combatants, which are the our brave Amber Freedom fighters and La Republic armies. While all this is happening, we will be pursuing this strategy, which is called PPS. Countries will be recognizing us, or some countries will seek for this binary choice referendum. Cameroon obviously will be calling that they're intervening in the internal affairs of their country. But here's the problem, and here's what has never been brought to the attention to the world. What is the definition of a country called Republic of Cameroon? Do you know that the definition of Republic of Cameroon is legally known and was retraced by United Nations as late as 2010 during the 50th anniversary of the celebration of Republic of Cameroon? Yes. After the Green Tree Accord has unveiled the principle of territoriality, it became clear that Republic of Cameroon boundaries and Republic of Ambazonia boundaries are two distinctive states because both have their separate independence dates. So when it was retraced, it was found to be not in Bakassi. So how could Nigeria hand over a territory which is called Bakassi to an entity called the Republic of Ambazonia, whose boundary ends at Mogo? So what did they do? They invented an extinct entity, international personality known as Federal Republic of Cameroon. Of course, we know that the only extent to which Federal Republic of Cameroon exists as an international personality is insofar as it exists under the law which got extincted by Restoration Law 84 in 1984. So we are very confident now that when we say peaceful, we mean it. When we say permanent, we mean the peace will be permanent. The solution will be recognition of our sovereign state. And when we say solution, we mean we have already identified a solution that distinguishes us from Cameroon. We are Ambazonians. Thank you. There'll be another occasion when one of the community organizers or one of the coordinators of that tip will be out there talking, similarly as I've done to you tonight, to explain the PPS. You have a blessed day and go out there and endorse PPS and the DATIP at the level of yourself, the individual or your group. All you need to do is post that endorsement in the social media.